So hold up, they ain't no forges. But I like these joints right here. I'm thinking about how hard it's gonna be or how easy it'll be to clean too. I'm trying to keep that right there in mind, but I like these joints. HD Lux, them things hard. They may go with my DM right there, maybe the ones though. DM right there, maybe the ones.
Yes! Big round of applause! Big round of applause!
Boom! What's up with everybody? It's your boy Anthony Brown Jr. here with Carlos Car Pat by the detail. I got my son over here with me. Carlos, say what's up? Yeah. You see, he got his detailer gear on. You know what I'm saying? You see that joint? He over there playing 49ers game. Anyway, we finna get ready to roll out. Finna do some big things with my truck, with my personal truck. Figure out how to get it lifted. So I'm finna go up here and talk to the guy and see what all we can do with this lift kit. We're gonna do new wheels and tires on it. Oh, and we gotta go pick up some things for our girls, our ladies here at the house for Valentine's Day. That's coming up tomorrow, so we gotta make sure we get them something as well. So yeah, it's just me and my son, me and the young wolf. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all out for a day with us. You know what I'm talking about? And I'm gonna take you to the when we go to the truck shop. I'm gonna show y'all what we got up there. So see y'all when we get there. I got a 2015 Chevy Silverado, and I'm finna get this thing lifted up, man. 6.5 inch lift is what I want to do. Cause what I was gonna do was, what I was really gonna do, I was really about to get ready to buy Tall Guy's truck. If y'all don't follow Tall Guy, I know, y'all really already know who Tall Guy is. Tall Guy Car Views. I was about to get ready to buy his truck, but I really ain't trying to build my, YouTube off of somebody else's, you know what I'm saying, fame. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to get clout from off of somebody else. I'd rather get my own, build it up for myself. You know what I'm talking about? But that's why I didn't go. That's why I didn't go the route of buying. He's like, I was literally about to get ready to put down the down payment. You know what I'm saying? They had already checked the credit. Everything was on point. You know what I'm saying? But I was like, man, you know what? I don't even want to do that. Because I ain't trying to build my legacy, my YouTube channel, or, you know what I'm saying, my fame off of somebody else's clout. So what I'm going to do is since I already got my truck, I'm gonna build my truck up the way I want to build my truck up. And plus, my truck finna get ready to be paid out for anyway, so I ain't finna be getting a whole nother car note just for, you know what I'm saying? And plus, he is already built, so he done already did his. So I want to try to build my own. I don't want to take the fun out of building it, so I want to get my own truck, since I got my own truck, and build it up from the ground up. You know what I'm saying? From the mud. You know what I'm talking about? Like, this right here, it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and my wife finally approved me for it. Yeah, not the credit, but the wife approved me for it, so yeah, wife is the greatest. Yeah, ain't mama the greatest, dude? Yeah. That's right. Here, I'm gonna put new headlights inside this joint too. And I'm gonna put the Oracle LEDs inside. Man, this ain't gonna be stupid. I'm gonna take that to my boy Jay. So he can put my pretties in for my headlights. And then tomorrow I'm supposed to be driving my truck out to get it wrapped too. So that's gonna be stupid too. So this right here, hey, stay with me while I build up on my truck, man, because this right here finna be something stupid, magnupid. You know what I'm saying? If you like any of this gear, man, Details versus the World, you know what I'm talking about? You see it. Move the chain out of the way. You see it. You see it. You see it. You know what I'm saying? Details versus the World. You know what I'm talking about? Go shop thedetailerlife.com. Go shop thedetailerlife.com if you want any of this gear, man. But anyway, I'm going to start talking to them, man. I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Boom. So I'm trying to get this right here lifted up. Trying to get this thing out here lifted up. Like I said, I'm gonna get new headlights coming in. With my headlights already here, the whole grill, everything gonna be, everything safe. I'm finna transform my truck, man. Like I said, right now I'm up here at Dana's Customs. You know Wheels and tires, lift and drop kits right here in Dallas, Texas. You already know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Finna get ready to redo my truck. Get this thing lifted up 6.5 inches, man. 6.5 inches, man. It's gonna be stupid, magnupid. Finna get this thing stupid. Ooh, look what just pulled up. Ooh, ooh, yes, sir, ski. I can't wait for y'all to see how this truck is gonna be looking, man. This truck finna be immaculate. What I'm telling you, this truck is finna definitely be immaculate. I'm trying to go with like the black and kind of red kind of theme, something like that. And just because I know like I'm not even like a black and red or a red kind of theme kind of color. I'm really kind of more so into blue. But after I Google colors that's real good marketing colors, that can catch people's eyes, there's always red and black. Like red, black, and white are colors that can. Oh, look at this boy. The boy King Mozzie. Mozzie done pulled up on you, boy. Damn.
Hey,
Yeah.
what's going on, brother?
Hey, y'all already know who it is.
Hey,
Got
man.
the boy King Mozzie
You know
here.
what I'm saying? In the building, man.
You know what I'm saying? Tell him what's up, bro. Tell people, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, man, what's y'all already know this, man? It's your boy King Miley in the building.
Yeah.
Mr. Dream Chaser himself,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
in the
yeah.
flesh, man. Living legend, man.
This guy. What's going on? What's going on, bro? Got the man Dana himself. You know what I'm saying? What's good? What's good with you? What's good with you?
Oh, it's at Jay's right now.
Is it Jay's?
I'm adding more chrome to it.
More chrome.
Yeah.
Damn. What?
How many inches you want to lift?
I'm trying to do 6.5 inches, bro. Well, how high is yours?
That's 8.
Okay, yeah, I ain't trying to go that high. I'm trying to do 6, huh? That's 8. Yeah. I'm trying to at least do 6.5.
And what kind of wheels and tires do you want?
I want to do Forgiatos.
Giados?
Or, you know what I'm saying, whatever fits, you know what I'm saying,
Yes.
whatever look good. Because I wanted to kind of do something with some red, too. And I'm supposed to be dropping it off tomorrow to get it wrapped and shit, too.
Damn, I have the lift kit in stock for it.
What?
It's a McGAUGHYS lift kit. Let me show you.
Okay. Finger walk outside here right now, right quick, you know what I'm saying? See what's going on. See what we can get done, man. See what we can get done, man. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all out here in Dallas, Texas, y'all trying to get y'all trucks lifted, trying to get your cars lowered, come up out here to Dana's Wheels and Tires. You know what I'm saying? Dana's Wheels and Tires.
Yeah.
This my truck right here?
Yeah.
Damn. And how much is them joints?
This is like a 7 to 9 inch. It's adjustable. Whichever you want, you can change it in future if you want to.
Okay. This the whole thing right here.
Yes.
And this, that's the top brand there though.
Yeah,
McGAUGHYS. Okay.
top brand.
What's the top? What's the price ticket on that?
You want some for juice, right?
Yeah.
What color? Is it red?
Yeah, I want to do
Like
red.
candy red?
Yeah.
Okay. What size? 24s, 26s?
I probably want to do like some 22s, honestly, because I still want to have a good tire on there. What size wheels you got on yours?
It's gonna look better with 24s. Mine's 26.
24s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm working on 24 by 14s.
24 by 14s?
Something like that.
Something like this?
Yes.
So how? Okay, so
That size, not the style, but that size.
so this size 24 by 14, not this style, y'all, but the size. Okay. So shit. I mean, tell me what.
Information and picture.
Okay, bet. Okay, cool. Okay. So I'm kind of liking it. I'm kind of liking what he's saying though. Tuner. It's a tuner. Don't worry about it, guys. I'm kind of liking these right here too though. Hold on. So hold on. They ain't no Forges, but I like these joints right here. I'm thinking about how hard it's gonna be or how easy it'll be to clean too. Trying to keep that right there in mind. But I like these joints. HD Lux. Them things hard. They're black and red. It may go with my DM right there. Maybe the ones though. DM right there. Maybe the ones. But I do like simplicity too. So I like that right there. Damn, I like that right there. And I like that right there too. Y'all tell me which ones I think I should get. Dang, hold up. Oh no. Loki, I can do without that. I can do without that one. I can definitely do without that one. But that one right there and this one right here, I'm kind of digging this one right here more than anything though, honestly. I like that. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that. Now look, now there ain't no forges or nothing. I was looking for forges.
They tough though.
But these right here, you know what I'm saying?
They tough. I
That's
like
going,
the red.
yeah, that's going with my scheme there.
Yeah, I like that. That's tough.
It's going with the scheme there, so I think I'm probably gonna go ahead on and do that one, bro.
I would do that for sure.
Yeah, that's hard. And see, when I look at wheels, I try to look at wheels and try to look at it from my perspective. So since I'm a detailer, I'm trying to figure out, is it gonna be hard to clean, get inside all these of those, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you got a lot of crevices in there, brother.
But see, soon as I get the wheel, I'm gonna go ahead on ceramic coat it anyway. So I ain't doing no tripping.
Yeah.
So I ain't doing no tripping. You know what I'm
like
talking
that,
about?
bro,
Yeah, I definitely like that. That's hard.
That, bro.
I like how big the lip is.
Yep.
You know what I'm talking about? Look how deep that lip is, boy.
That's some Angelina Jolie lips right there, bro. That's Angelina Jolie.
That's Angelina Jolie.
That's Angelina Jolie. I know you ain't you and Brad Pitt not together no more.
You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, get at your boy, baby. You're definitely on YouTube. You're definitely.
Get this nigga Mizey.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm riding outside. This is my first time riding with Mizey, man. I done detailed this car a whole lot of time. This is my first time riding outside here. You know what I'm
work
saying?
to do too, bro. Look at that.
Bro, this thing nasty, bro. Look. Damn. What happened? What's up, Carter? What you say?
I know who can fix it. You.
I can fix it.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
right, man.
You gotta get that.
Let me see. Hold on. Got my young wolf back there. Carter, where you get that hoodie from?
You.
I like that. They need to go shop at detailerlife.com, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look up and say what's up.
What's up?
What you get, bro?
Let me get a I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get the whole thing.
The hot dog with cheese, right?
Yeah, let me get the hot dog, the kids meal hot dog with cheese, with fries, and what's that? The blue slush. What's that? The cool.
Coconut. Oh, I don't know what. What's the blue slush?
What's that blue slush? The kids meal blue slush. I think it's like some water, ain't it? What is it called? Yeah, the ocean water slush. Kids meal ocean water slush. Best I know it's some water. My young boy back there hungry.
Man, throw a little small cherry slush on that jump, man.
Like I said, man, if y'all ever want any of this gear, man, make sure you go shop at detailerlife.com. You see it. Details versus the world joint, you know what I'm saying? Go shop at Detail Life. I'm going to straighten out right there, a little woo. Going to straighten out the Cuban link. You know what I'm saying? You see what it is. You know what I'm talking about? But go shop at detailerlife.com. You want any of this gear, go shop at detailerlife.com. Hey, where can I get your clothes from, bro?
Livingwithmods.com, man. Y'all already know that.
Go get that.
I want that nice
That's
stuff.
fire. You see that fire ass bomber jacket?
Man, y'all better quit.
You know what I'm saying?
Quit playing with
Show 'em the
yourself.
drip, bro.
Y'all don't even want to see the back of it.
Oh!
God, bro.
We gonna see the back of that joint. We gonna see the back. We gonna have him get out and we gonna check out this goddamn bomber jacket. We gotta see what it is. If we telling them people to go,
Let me hit you with one of them jokes right
let
now.
me see. Ooh, dream chaser, chasing them dreams. I like that.